Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between TLDV versus Otter.ai. Which is the best AI tool for meetings and notes? TLDV and Otter.ai are tools that promise to transform your meeting experience with intelligent note-taking and transcription. But which one truly stands out? We'll be talking about the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your pick. We have the links to TLDV and Otter.ai in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features. TLDV is a versatile AI tool that integrates seamlessly with popular video conferencing platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and MS Teams. Its core functionality revolves around providing an efficient way to record, transcribe, and summarize meetings. It can transcribe meetings in over 30 languages and even allows for AI-powered moment summaries, letting you quickly capture key points during a meeting. The tool offers a dedicated AI chat function that can provide further insight into your meetings, and it can generate AI reports that can be particularly useful for managers to get a bird's-eye view of multiple meetings. Otter.ai is renowned for its AI meeting agent that records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings in real time. It supports live transcription in multiple languages including English, French, and Spanish. Its AI chat feature allows you to ask questions about your meetings and get instant answers, functioning like a personal assistant for your conversations. Otter also provides speaker identification, audio recording playback, and advanced search functionality across your notes. And now to the pricing. TLDV offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, with up-to-date pricing available on their website. You have the free plan, and this plan is a great starting point, allowing you to get a feel of the service without any cost. It includes unlimited meetings and viewers, transcription in over 30 languages, and up to 10 AI multiple meeting reports. Then you have the Pro plan at $29 per seat per month. This plan is perfect for professionals and growing teams. It gives you unlimited AI meeting notes, full access to AI chat function, and unlimited uploads for transcription. It's a significant upgrade that unlocks the full potential of TLDV's AI capabilities. Then you have the business plan for larger teams and businesses. The business plan is priced at $65 per seat per month, and it includes everything in the Pro plan, plus advanced features like multi-team management and AI coaching. You also have the Enterprise plan, and this is great for API access, dedicated support, enhanced security, and custom needs. It includes everything in the business plan along with privately hosted AI and advanced team and data management for admins. Otter.ai has a basic plan which is free with a limit of 300 minutes per month and 30 minutes per conversation. The Pro plan is at $16.99 per user per month. This plan significantly increases your monthly transcription minutes to 1,200 and extends your conversation limit to 90 minutes. The business plan is at $30 per user per month. And here's to the pros and cons. TLDV on the bright side has unlimited meetings. Even the free plan offers unlimited meetings, which is a major advantage over many competitors. Extensive integrations. TLDV integrates with over 5,000 tools, allowing it to fit into virtually any existing workflow. Efficient AI. The tool excels at automatically creating summaries and reports, saving a lot of time on post-meeting work. And now to the downside of TLDV. Bot in meeting. The TLDV bot must physically join your meeting to record and transcribe, which can be visible to attendees. Pricing jump. While the free and pro plans are competitively priced, the jump to the business plan may be substantial for some teams. Otter.ai on the bright side has a generous free plan for casual users. It has mobile apps for both iOS and Android. It provides powerful cross-meeting AI insights. It also can join meetings automatically even when you're absent. It also offers integrations with popular business tools like Slack and Salesforce. On the downside, transcription accuracy can be inconsistent with poor audio quality or accents. The Autopilot bot can be seen as invasive by some meeting participants. The free plan's conversation length is limited to 30 minutes, and it has limited customization options for note templates. In conclusion, both TLDV and Otter.ai are powerful AI meeting assistants, each with their own strengths. Otter.ai shines with its real-time AI capabilities, strong transcription, and mobile app, making it ideal for those who prioritize efficient audio-based note-taking and meeting analysis. TLDV, on the other hand, is a clear winner for users who need comprehensive video recording, timestamping, and advanced sales coaching features, especially with its generous free tier. The ultimate choice depends on your specific needs. Whether you prioritize audio transcription and AI-powered insights or visual meeting documentation, the ultimate choice really depends on your needs. Don't forget to check out the links to TLDV and Otter.ai in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.